Hey there, Nutrition Club members, your culinary nutritionist Michelle here. Now that we've created recipes for all of those wonderful broths, the veggie broth, the shiitake broth, and the bone broth, let's head into the kitchen and use that veggie broth to make a creamy herbed butternut squash soup. Here I have the accompanying ingredients for our creamy herbed butternut squash soup. First, a few cups of homemade veggie stock. You could also use the kind that you buy at the store, just choose a low sodium variety to control the seasoning yourself. Then 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg, a 1/2-inch hunk of ginger, peeled and diced finely, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 carrot, all diced up, 1 stalk of celery, all diced up, and 2 fresh herbs, sage and rosemary, about 10 sage leaves or so, and 1 good long sprig of rosemary finely chopped. All of these will be cooked together with the roasted butternut squash to form a creamy, delicious soup.